Welcome back. You're watching Impact News at 5 with Kishore Chandra Wankhinja. Students of DM College scuffled with police today as the students of different schools and colleges have taken to the streets to protest the government's failure to implement inner line permits in Manipur. As the police fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to disperse the agitating students, they were pelted with stones by the students. The students of DM College of Arts and Science took out a rally from LMS Law College and Kuyathong and had a scuffle with the police for about 30 minutes at the western gate of DM College around 11:30 in the morning. Even though the police team fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to control the students, they were outnumbered by the students. The students blocked the Tangriban Road near DM College Girls Hostel and the western gate. The police team continued to fire tear gas shells and mock bombs inside the college campus to control them all. However, additional police force had to be sent in after 2.5 hours to control the situation. At least 20 students were held by the police and many injured students were taken to hospital. Five students sustained injuries when police lathi charged and fired tear gas, rubber bullets on college students. The students demanding inner line permit system in Manipur took out a rally from DM College towards Manipur Assembly. However, they were stopped by the police. The injured five students are identified as R.K. Vidya Devi, A.S. Soreshan, K.H. Bertlian of DM College of Arts, and Haisnam Sidambi L. Nongpok Lema of MB College. Now they are undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity. A.S. Soreshan was seriously injured as tear gas shell hit him on the face. Also, students of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Sika Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Little Rose Higher Secondary School, Triveni Public School and Lilong Higher Secondary School continue to step out of their classrooms, blocking Imphal More Road and demanding implementation of inner line permit in the state.
Manipur ILP system chana halo natrabadi akhoi khongjan kya sangjalakari assembly na logi warep ta phagi ta hangumje Manipur ILP system chana hanje we demand.
Continuing with the similar news, the security personnel prevented the students of Tampasana Girls Higher Secondary School from holding a rally.
Manipur sa uji ILP chana ningi school sigi oina so khoi uji ILP ki yo hogale ri base ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ
ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ILP ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯐꯨꯒꯦꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯗ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯩ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯊꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ